We just passed the entrance to the game reserve and we are almost to Sabi Sabi Earth Lodge. I am so excited to check into this place because if it's anything like what the photos look like online, it's going to be amazing. We were greeted by the assistant manager Peter and he led us into the lobby where we got our first look at the Earth Lodge. So we just checked in here at Sabi Sabi Earth Lodge. First impressions, this place is incredible. It's in perfect harmony with its environment. I love the design. We're just in time for lunch, so we decided to get a bite to eat before we go to our room to check out, which I can't wait to see, and I can't wait to taste the food either. I love our lunch buddies. We had a butternut squash and beet salad and an ostrich burger, and it was delicious. And now that we're full, it's time to go check out our room. Our suite definitely lived up to the hype. There are no words. Amazing. Look, what? This place is nuts, guys. This place is nuts. On our way to our evening safari drive, our first game drive here at the Earth Lodge. Already, from our veranda, I guess, we saw a herd of kudu that just came up and said hi. It's pretty cool.
It's promising.
Yes. Going to see the animals. Our safari trucks were waiting for us, and we were soon loaded up and on our way. Here we go. Yeah. Our safari guides work in a team of two, a ranger and a tracker. Our ranger drove the truck and listened to the radio for reports of other animal sightings. Our tracker had a special seat at the very front of the vehicle where he could keep an eye out for tracks and other signs of wildlife. Pretty bumpy. Going to be a bumpy night. A little further down the road, we saw another safari truck that had stopped. That's always a good sign. Do you see it? There's a leopard in the bushes. Oh my god, there's a cub too. Are you serious? Oh my god, that's so crazy. We just saw a leopard. It was pretty far away, but it had a cub. Luckily, the guide gave me these babies because I came with these. I think we're gonna go around to the other side to see if we can see them better. Ooh! Calamity Jane. It was definitely a good call to go around to the other side. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. We went around to the other side, and the leopard and her cub passed right in front of the car. They couldn't have been more than 10 feet away. It was insane. Right in front of the car. Looked right at me. Oh my god. They think the cub is about 5 or 6 months old, which is really good because it's really tough out here for babies in the bush.
That's okay.
I just spit on myself. Oh my god. That was insane. That was insane. The leopards walked out of sight, so we continued on the drive as the sun started to set. It's always better if everyone on the truck keeps an eye out because you never know when you'll spot an animal. We saw a few more animals as the sun began to go down. During this beautiful sunset, we have stopped for a sundowner, which is a drink in the African bush, and I'll be having white wine, of course. Let's go. For the sundowner, they set up a bar on the end of the Land Cruiser, and we had snacks and drinks. We watched the sun go down. It was an epic African sunset, and then once it got dark, we continued on with the game drive. Just because it got dark didn't mean that the wildlife spotting had to stop. The tracker spotted a chameleon from the truck. It was so small in disguise that our guide had to get out and point it out to us.
Yeah. Hyena.
And then we came across a lone hyena. This was high on my list of animals to see, so I was particularly excited.
Stop hitting me.
Then the hyena got so close to the truck that we had to put the camera down because truthfully, we were a little scared. It walked along, and then once in the spotlight, it started coming towards the car. It came up right next to me. If I had reached out my hand, I probably could have touched it, and it started sniffing Kevin and me. It was incredible. I was super happy, and now we're back at the lodge, and we're getting ready for dinner, and I can't wait to see what they serve us. Our guide came to our room to take us to dinner. Welcome to the beautiful dinner at the Earth Lodge. It is fabulous, but as it's after dark now, we did have to have our guide come and escort us here. There are no fences at the Earth Lodge, so animals are free to roam about, and it can be a little bit dangerous. Okay, a lot of bit dangerous, so you have to have them come, and they come with a flashlight and check to make sure there's nothing in the bushes waiting to eat you, which that's good because now I can enjoy my drink in peace. I'm having the beef fillet tonight, and Kevin is having the pasta, and they both look incredible. And I think we just heard some hyena noises. It's pretty cool. I'm so full. It's so good. The dessert was called chocolate salami. It didn't have meat in it or anything, but I don't know even what it was, but it was delicious. Chocolate, anything is delicious. So good. Check out our next vlog to see what animals we spotted on our second day at Sabi Sabi.